All right, so if you are working with your Roku device and you're not able to get, you have a black screen, right? It's not picking up the the signal from the Roku device. A lot of times, the fix is very easy, and one fix that usually is the issue is you're on the wrong input. You can see that right here, I'm on HDMI 2. I want to make sure that this TV is also on HDMI 2. And you can do that by clicking on your TV remote and changing to the proper um, HDMI input. If you don't have your remote, a lot of times you can actually use the buttons on the TV to go through and change the input. So on this one, it's the power button. So I can see I click the power button and I can go through, and I want to make sure that my input is selected as the same input that I have the Roku plugged into. And a lot of times that is going to fix your issue. If it didn't, we might have issues with the connection of the HDMI cord, right? So we're going to want to make sure that this is plug in snug, that this is plug in snug. We're going to look at the cable itself to make sure that there's no real bends or any issues with the cable, because a lot of times the wires in here might break. And if those break, well, this is no good. I'll add a link to a new HDMI cord in case that is the case. Now, if none of that works, we are going to have to do a soft reset or a power cycle of this Roku device. And to do that, simply unplug it. So I have the Roku Express, so I'm just going to pull the power cord, but unplug it for a minute, a full minute. Let it sit, let it chill. And then once that minute is up, what you're going to do, I would change the HDMI on the TV and then change it back. And then when I plug this power back in, it should pick up this device on your HDMI channel, which in my case is 2. So those are the main culprits when this is black and there's no signal. So I hope that helps. If it does, like and subscribe. I'll drop the links in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye.